Hey gut feeders, today we're going to talk about 4 foods to curb your cravings, to lower your cravings and to balance your weight, no matter if you're too big or if you're too thin. If you're new to this channel, my name is Peggy from PeggySchirmer.com. Warmly welcome you on Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to take your health into your own hands, become your own health advocate. If you're not yet part of the Gut Feeder family yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates and any live Q&As. Top food number 1 to help you curb your cravings and balance your weight are bananas. Those guys are plantains, but they just work just as well. They are Panamanian kind of type of banana plantain. They have to be ripe. They have to be brown. Brown spots are obligatory before you eat bananas. If not, they cause bloating. And they are not as easy to be digested as the ripe ones. Why I recommend them for curbing your cravings and balance your weight is as simple as it gets. Because often cravings actually don't come from here. They come from there. They come from your gut, from your microbiome, and from your inner organs, which crave healthy glucose. Yes, if you might have heard, oh, don't eat sugar, don't eat this. Yes, don't eat high fructose corn syrup or any processed sugars like that. But this, guys, your liver needs healthy glucose. Often when people have cravings, what that actually happens is that you do not have enough glycogen stored up in your liver. This is the storage sugar in your liver, which helps to cool down your inner organs, which helps fuel your brain. If you're in stressful situations, your nervous system might heat up. If you have toxic heavy metals in your brain, your nervous system, your brain literally heats up, and the only thing that cools everything down is not just bananas, but it's healthy glucose. So don't be afraid. If you're overweight, the best thing you can do, guys, for breakfast is eating bananas. Just avoid eating, if you're overweight and you want to lose weight, don't eat high sugar food, healthy sugar food with high fat food. This is the storage signal for your body. Also, if you want to gain weight, eat those two together. And we're going to go through the food list and I'm going to give you some tips there as well. So number 1, bananas, eat ripe bananas. Number 2 are leafy greens. Anything green, anything that has leaves, those are fresh harvested basil leaves, lettuce, kale, spinach, you name it. Everything that is green and is leafy. Why is this amazing? Is because it's so dense in minerals. It helps to balance your blood sugar levels. They are also high magnesium foods, and those are amazing for curbing down your cravings. Has a lot of fiber, feeds the good gut bacteria. Make sure you daily include leafy greens into your diet. Third one, this might surprise you. This is a lemon, even if it doesn't look like one. Lemon water, lemons, everything that is sour. Everything that is sour will help massage your liver. Your liver has a big impact on how you store weight and how you let go of weight. If you have a healthy liver, you have a healthy weight. Sometimes things are just simple. Lemon water massages your liver, helps you let go of toxins. If you're overweight, it's likely that your body started to store up toxins in your fat cells because they are the most stable cells. Make sure to include lemon. Amazing for sugar cravings as well. Lemon also has healthy glucose. I usually do that in the morning. I drink my lemon water, and that helps me also to cleanse, to purify the whole digestive system and prepare it for the day. Last but not least, before we come to my bonus tip, guys, stay with me. There's a bonus tip after those 4, are avocados. Look at this gorgeous guy here. Whoa. So avocados are amazing. They have healthy glucose. Believe it or not, they are fruit, and they contain omega-3 fatty acids. Now, with the cravings in general, often the problem is either you have an unhealthy microbiome, and those bacteria, guys, those pathogenic bacteria, they send signals to your brain. So it's not about willpower. It's not about you being strong and fighting against the cravings. What you want to focus on is improving your microbiome. Apart from that, avocado is amazing for balancing your blood sugar level. And so the cravings, they either come from an unhealthy microbiome or they come from nutrient deficiency. Your body actually signals you, please eat more healthy fats. Avocado is a good one. Or you need more glucose, please eat sweet stuff, eat bananas. Or you need more minerals, eat the leafy greens. Rinse and repeat the 4 foods that I highly encourage you to include every day if you want to curb your carvings and if you want to lose weight or if you want to gain weight. Avocados, lemon water, fresh greens, and bananas. And now, before we dive into the bonus tip, question of the day, please answer that in the comments below. What are you craving for the most? Are you more like a salty craver, or are you sugar craver? Do you crave fat? What is it that you crave the most? Let me know in the comments below. This one, guys, is a big one. Bonus tip, and that one is celery. Now, there is this hype, you might have heard about celery juice, and I don't like hypes, but this hype is a good one, guys. This is my secret weapon if you want to balance your weight, if you want to balance your blood sugar levels, if you have any chronic diseases in your body, if you have cravings. This is a big one and can change your microbiome pretty fast. Also, if you have salty cravings have to do with the mineral imbalance, and the sodium that you find in celery juice has nothing, I mean like nada, to do with the table salt. So instead of going for crisps, fatty and salty, see if you can go for avocado and celery. Okay, celery juice, guys, my absolute secret weapon. I'm gonna link you the playlist with all the information down below. Make sure you check that out. And last tip, if you want to gain weight, guys, a good combination for gaining weight is a healthy glucose and healthy fat source. So those two, guys, in a smoothie go well together. You can even put in some leafy greens. It all goes well together. You can also put in the lemon if you want. Also got a video on how to gain healthy weight, my best breakfast recipe. Make sure I link that down in the comments below. Make sure you check that out. And if you haven't answered the question of the day yet, what are you craving for the most? Let me know in the comments below now.